Intro. Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about AI, machine learning, and efficient software development practices, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's crucial for anyone looking to bring their AI models from development to production seamlessly. We'll be discussing how to build an automated AI model deployment pipeline. So, if you're ready, let's jump in. The deployment of AI models is an essential phase in the machine learning lifecycle, and yet, it often proves to be one of the most challenging aspects. Developing a model is just the first step. How you deploy and maintain it can be the difference between a successful application and a project that falls flat. An automated deployment pipeline can help streamline this process, reducing human error, saving time, and ensuring that your model can be easily updated and maintained. Understanding the machine learning lifecycle. Before we delve into the specifics of building an automated deployment pipeline, let's briefly review the machine learning lifecycle. This lifecycle consists of several stages: data collection, data processing, model training, model evaluation, and finally, deployment. Each of these stages requires careful planning and execution. When we talk about deployment, we refer to making the model available for use in a production environment. This means integrating it into a larger application and ensuring it can handle real-world data and user requests. One of the biggest challenges in deployment is that the environment where models are initially trained can differ significantly from the production environment. Variables such as software dependencies, hardware configurations, and even the nature of the incoming data can lead to discrepancies that affect model performance. Therefore, establishing a robust deployment pipeline is essential. What is an automated AI deployment pipeline? An automated AI deployment pipeline is a series of steps and processes that automate the transition of a machine learning model from development to production. It encompasses everything from code integration to testing, deployment, and monitoring, allowing for continuous updates and improvements. The main components of an automated deployment pipeline include source control, continuous integration, and continuous delivery, CI/CD, containerization, orchestration, and monitoring. Each of these elements plays a vital role in ensuring that your AI models are deployed efficiently and reliably. Source control. The first step in building your automated deployment pipeline is setting up source control. Version control systems, like Git, allow you to track changes to your code and collaborate with others effectively. Source control also provides a backup of your work, enabling you to revert to previous versions if necessary. When working with machine learning models, it's important to not only version your code but also your datasets and configurations. This way, you can reproduce experiments and keep track of which dataset versions correspond to particular model versions. Talking about continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD. Once you've set up source control, the next step is to establish a continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD, pipeline. CI/CD is a set of practices that allow for frequent code changes and automated testing. In the CI phase, every time a developer makes changes to the codebase and pushes it to the repository, automated tests are triggered. These tests check for bugs, verify that the code follows standards, and ensure that it integrates well with the existing codebase. This helps catch issues early on before they become larger problems. The CD phase focuses on automatically deploying the code to production after it passes all tests. This means every change that is pushed can be deployed quickly and safely, allowing for more agile development practices. To implement CI/CD for your AI models, you can use services like Jenkins, CircleCI, or GitHub Actions. These platforms allow you to define workflows that automate tasks such as testing and deployment, making the process more efficient. Containerization. Next, let's talk about containerization. Containerization involves packaging your application and its dependencies into a single unit known as a container. Docker is one of the most widely used containerization platforms, and it simplifies the deployment process by ensuring that your application runs consistently across different environments. By containerizing your AI model, you can encapsulate the model, the code, and all necessary libraries, creating a self-contained environment. This helps eliminate the "it works on my machine" problem, as the container will run the same way regardless of where it's deployed. Additionally, containers can easily scale, which is particularly important for AI applications that might see fluctuations in traffic. If more users access your application, containers can be replicated to handle the increased load. Orchestration with Kubernetes. Now that you have your model containerized, it's time to discuss orchestration. Orchestration is about managing and coordinating multiple containerized applications. Kubernetes is the leading orchestration platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Using Kubernetes, you can easily deploy your AI model containers, scale them up or down based on demand, and maintain high availability. Kubernetes also provides features like load balancing, service discovery, and automated rollbacks, making it easier to manage complex applications. Setting up Kubernetes can be a bit involved, but it pays off in the long run by providing a robust framework for managing your AI models in production. Monitoring and maintaining your AI model. Even after your AI model is deployed, the work isn't done. Continuous monitoring is essential to ensure that your model performs as expected in a production environment. This involves tracking metrics such as response times, throughput, and resource utilization. You should also monitor the model's performance metrics, such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. As your model is exposed to real-world data, it may encounter data drift or concept drift, meaning its performance can degrade over time. Regular monitoring helps you identify these issues promptly. Tools like Prometheus and Grafana can help you visualize and monitor the performance of your deployed models, while platforms like MLflow or TensorBoard can track metrics specific to your machine learning models. Enabling continuous training and retraining. One of the significant advantages of having an automated deployment pipeline is the ability to enable continuous training and retraining of your models. As new data becomes available, you can automatically retrain your models using the latest data, ensuring that they remain up-to-date and accurate. To achieve this, you can set up scheduled jobs that trigger the retraining process or create event-driven triggers that retrain the model whenever new data is ingested. This ensures that your models evolve with changing data patterns and user needs, maintaining their relevance over time. Integrating model versioning. Model versioning is another important aspect of deploying AI models. As you develop and improve your models, it's crucial to keep track of different versions. This allows you to roll back to a previous version if a new version performs poorly or to compare the performance of multiple models. Tools like DVC, Data Version Control, or MLflow provide versioning capabilities specifically designed for machine learning projects. By integrating model versioning into your deployment pipeline, you can manage your models as effectively as your code. Data governance and security considerations. As you build your automated deployment pipeline, don't overlook data governance and security considerations. It's essential to ensure that your data is compliant with relevant regulations, such as GDPR or HIPAA, depending on your industry. Implementing security best practices, such as securing APIs, encrypting sensitive data, and managing access controls, is vital to protecting your application and its users. Incorporate security checks into your CI/CD pipeline to ensure that security vulnerabilities are caught early in the development process. Conclusion. In summary, building an automated AI model deployment pipeline involves several key components, including source control, CI/CD, containerization, orchestration, monitoring, and continuous training. Each of these elements plays a vital role in ensuring that your models can be deployed efficiently and maintained effectively. By investing the time and resources into creating an automated pipeline, you can streamline your deployment process, reduce the risk of errors, and ensure that your AI models remain relevant and effective over time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on AI and machine learning. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you implemented an automated deployment pipeline for your models? What challenges have you faced? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep building amazing AI solutions.